Okay, I'm here to give a little video demonstration of some of the cash registers that I've collected over the years. And the first one is a National Cash Register 24. This 24 came out of a bakery down in Canton, and it works good. It's a little rough, it needs some work. Now I have a National Cash Register 6000 from about 1945. It's actually a grocery store machine. It's perfect condition and it works great. I got this from a guy's house for $40. He had no idea why it was in his basement, but it was. And I have a Chrome 1900 series, still in use today in a lot of bars, and this is a really good machine. It's all chrome and very nice machine. And over here I have the National Cash Register 47 1/4 with a top sign and a side printer. Has an oak drawer, marble plate, all brass, and it is in great condition. Then I have 3 Suitas, all the same model, 46. This first one has a slide printer, slip printer, or table printer, all different names for it, with 4 departments. And then you have this Suita here that's been converted. It is now a McDonald's stainless steel. This is the second one I have with the McDonald's top sign. This is an all original Suita, perfect condition. Actually, when I got this machine, it had the owner's manual and everything. Next cash register we have is these 2 monstrous 6000 NCRs. They're pretty much the same machine with different features. This here one has been converted to a grocery machine. It has a monstrous amount of rows. It has, on this side is the clerks, A, B, C, D, E, and then charge. It has a table slip printer where you can put your little ticket in there and print it. And it is in excellent condition. It came out of a t-shirt shop where it sat on the counter for probably 50 years. Then this here came out of a department store called Sanford's, and it's the same model. 6000, and it's in really good condition. A little loud when it runs, but overall it's in good shape. So I'm going to run this one for everybody so you can hear what it sounds like, or what it would have sounded like in a store back in about up until 1970 maybe. We're just going to ring up a few things. Subtotal, and we'll total it out. So imagine 10 of these going at once in a store, how loud it would be. So that's it. This is part of my cash register collection that I have.